So guys, we have a full house today on the farm. So we have a lot of family for this video.
No put this one.
Hmm?
No put it again. Me never tell you say me no want the pan it. Depend say mommy.
Care upon it, man.
And Uncle Josh, hold up your hand, say hi.
So that's my uncle, guys. Uncle Josh.
Yeah, train tour guy.
Yeah.
Mommy, nobody say you go with Marley when you go with Marley. Come in and say no. I know you send on video come no. Well, in the people in the capsule, you either say you go buy one capsule, and take and feel like your capsule. So I'm going to shop near. Where in the video? Where the in the capsule, capsule fill. So when you swallow that, it's low kill you.
We are them. Don't dress up like jacket and tie it.
Yes.
Like him a go.
Mary, bear witness.
Like him a go in
Your mommy bag.
church or wedding.
This
I
in
push
there.
him a go with the machine.
Shopping bag.
That's where Marky.
Yeah. Mommy bag. How can I water this? Alright.
If you go to Manchester, you have gun. You want to play shoe, you don't get.
I'm gonna wear it.
Huh?
I'm gonna wear it.
No, me I can't do that.
Huh?
You have to go.
Well, I'm just a man, just like. You must have machine in the back of your neck, and you turn down.
Go right down, Mr. Woody. Right down.
Right down, I will be level we are.
Follow the pass.
Right down. Put the machine in there.
Don't tell us if you say that. Come on, then. So I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go. All of it. Don't know now. Everything I see you, man. I in the loose tax leave good. Everything we see, are you bringing icon? You're a product. But say that China got bring anything.
So half of the team gone to do something else, and the other half of the team is going to another location down the road.
Then just one support like for me a bit. My phone, we are calling. And when you answer, you say connecting. Yeah. Restart it. Easier plan.
Yeah?
Easier plan.
Yes, sir. Where's everybody say? Yeah, go on like a ground tough.
Since I want to leave party, say that's why I must so. Because my mom can't wait. You got the sitting there? I can't wait. What can I tell him that?
You got
This
one?
one plant, you got the root, and I make everything.
Oh, level up.
I can't wait. I'm going to make Mikey use this work and chop it.
Tough enough?
Heavy. stick them off of it.
You see a good still, no?
I just a little spot there. You know, if you don't want to can dig out, you go down there, up there.
Back
May I clean up place, you put it over there? May I clean up this place to sow some cabbage seed? That's where I do right, you know?
Hey guys, so
Yeah.
as you see, we saw the pumpkin up
Pumpkin
that
and
side
cucumber.
along the top side, and the cucumbers up there. See your marker.
So 2 little spot left where I clean up and put in some cabbage seed. And I have to clean up it to get it flow up. And to get it refined that you can sow the seed in.
So guys, we have a cloudy day, in and out with the rain,
Yeah.
but it's still,
Yeah, man, we are ball about
still,
sun
you know,
today.
still working.
Today we not ball about no sun.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to work.
There you go.
I go back, I go for the bag. You can't use hose, so.
What bag?
See back then there.
Oh.
When say we can't use hose?
Princess, let me take the insult.
You can't use it?
Oh, so we have a foot the cap. We have a foot the cap or neck the cap. So guys, this is a follow up. I'm just showing you the peas that we planted. These are some that was planted on the second day. And these are the ones that were planted on the first day. So right, all of that is peas. Some around here. And we planted two to a hole, and majority of them have 2 in the hole. Yeah, so these are some as well, lying up here. This is in the middle here is the walkway to go down to the river. Yeah, so these are some dasheen that was recently planted. I don't know how much, but yeah. And my uncle is down there finishing up the bamboo root from the last time. Yes.
Guys, I get rain every minute. We get a little shower. You know them way.
Which
Yesterday
is-
we have water. Sorry, soccer.
Yes.
But today we are get rain, so I plant hot pepper. All
Yes.
right. Yes.
It's a lot of rain, guys, yesterday, as mom said.
Kind of sour. We not
Yeah.
have to water nothing today.
So these are some corn.
Yeah, man, everything we plant and we want to see. Just tell them that.
So the corn. Corn, guys. So we have corn all over. All over we have corn. We have some stuff so over there. Yeah. Just by the river. You've made it to the end of my video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Until my next video, guys.